How does an evaporative aircon work? An evaporative air conditioner works by using a fan to draw hot, dry air through a wet filter or pad. Water fills the pan up to the desired level, and a pump circulates the water to the top of the pads. As the air passes through the filter, it evaporates the water, which cools the air down. The cool air is then blown back into the room, providing a refreshing cold breeze. To work effectively, an evaporative aircon requires a constant supply of fresh air, which is why it's important to leave a window or door open while using the unit. The aircon also needs to be filled with water regularly to keep the pads wet as needed. Compared to traditional air conditioners, evaporative aircons are much more energy efficient and use less electricity. They're also better for the environment since they don't rely on refrigerants or other harmful chemicals. However, on humid days, they cannot perform the greatest. Overall, an evaporative aircon is a great way to stay cool and comfortable during hot and dry weather, while also saving money on your energy bills.